How you going? Tiger here again, people. This is my tip for this week. Okay, good old earplugs. Okay, now all you boys in the construction industry, we've always got to wear our PPE. Earplugs are a necessity. But what I've come up with is I'm going to use them as an attractor for catching fish on bottom bashes. So 6/0 true turns, feed them up onto to your hooks as a visual thing, and also the other thing that I do is I put the tuna on them. So tuna oil into there, throw them in, and you don't have to worry about squeezing them. What will happen over a period of time, a couple of days, the tuna oil will soak into them because they're so spongy. So what I do with my bottom bashes is my top hook, I put a plastic on, okay, one of them weird things. They work good on the old snapper and the pearlies. Okay, so just a case of sliding one of them on, like so. Down to one of your plugs, okay. Onto your next one. Like that. And one more. Like so. Okay, from there we'll put our bits of bait on. Okay, so just put your bits of pilly on. I like to use pilly. Onto that one. Slide it up onto your earplug. Okay, and you've got your plastic. It's always on there, like so. Okay, now we all need a sinker for a bottom basher. Okay, now I use something like this, which you're killing two birds with the one stone. It works as your sinker, and also it's just another sort of bait that you got there to catch fish on. So this is my sinker. Put him on. Like so. And from there, so our hooks, when we hit the bottom, we don't snag the bottom. I like to put a couple of bits of bait also as an attractor, and seems to work fine too. So there's our bottom bangers. Now with the oil, I throw the oil into one of these containers, and you'll see the amount of oil that comes out of them. You just give them a squeeze, and you can see the oil coming out of it, dripping out of it. Okay, so after you've had a couple of goes with them, you can throw them back in and have a couple more in there and just change them over. But they come in, they have a go at the bait, they miss the bait, you've also got them full of oil, so they'll come in and they'll keep going as a visual thing and for smell. Okay, so what I'm using now for me bottom bashing is like a little battery pack, which I plug into my little mini electric. I like to fish between 80 metres and out to 200, and it's nice and light and they work fine. So instead of having to wind up all that way up between drifts, just whack that in and away you go. Okay, so I hope this one's helped you people, and again we can wrap it back up when we're finished, back into our bit of noodle, take our baits off at the end of the day, sit them in, keep winding. Plug him in, keep winding. and put away for your next trip. Okay, so I hope them tips this week have helped you people, and I'm gonna have a drink and see you next week.